Hey, Robert here. If you're reading this, chances are you've already heard about Mitolyn. And like me, you're probably doing that final round of research before deciding to buy it. I'd seen the ads too. All the claims about more energy, better metabolism, and cellular health. And honestly, I wasn't sure what to believe. But with summer coming up, and me feeling more sluggish and heavier than ever, I knew I had to do something. I didn't just want to drop a few pounds. I wanted to feel alive again. That's when I decided to try Mitolyn. Before I started using Mitolyn, I had the same questions you might have right now. Is Mitolyn legit? Will it actually help with fat loss, or is that just clever marketing? Will it give me real energy, or just a temporary kick? Is it safe? Here's where I was. Even though I was eating relatively clean and trying to stay active, I was still gaining weight, especially around the midsection. And the worst part? I was exhausted all the time, the kind of tired that sleep doesn't fix. The idea of taking my shirt off at the beach or even just going to the pool made me feel uncomfortable. I wasn't looking for a magic pill, but if something could help reset my metabolism and give me my energy back, I was all in. So I dug deeper into what Mitolyn actually does, and that's when things clicked. What makes Mitolyn different is that it targets the mitochondria, the tiny energy factories inside every cell in your body. As we age, those mitochondria slow down. They stop producing energy efficiently, and your body shifts into this sluggish, fat-storing mode. You feel tired, you burn fewer calories, and you gain weight even when you're not eating more. Mitolyn is designed to restore those cellular engines and help your body start burning fat the way it used to. It's packed with real, research-backed ingredients like CoQ10 for cellular energy, PQQ, to regenerate new mitochondria, NADH precursors, support fat burning and metabolism, magnesium, plus zinc, essential minerals for proper cellular function, B vitamins, key to energy, mood, and metabolic support. It's non-GMO, stimulant-free, made in the US, and doesn't rely on caffeine or fake energy boosters. It helps your body do the work naturally, from the inside out. I didn't expect to feel anything dramatic at first, but by the end of week 2, things started shifting. I had real, steady energy throughout the day. No more mid-afternoon crashes. My sugar cravings started to fade, my mind felt clearer, more focused, my stomach looked less bloated, and after a few more weeks, the scale started moving. Finally. But it wasn't just the weight, it was how I felt in my body. I had motivation again. I wanted to move. I felt lighter, in every sense of the word. That was the moment I realized. This isn't about a beach body. It's about taking your power back. Here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. If your mitochondria aren't working, neither is your metabolism. And if you do nothing, it only gets worse. You keep gaining weight, even on a healthy diet. You get more tired, less motivated, and when summer hits, you start hiding behind t-shirts and excuses. I've been there. It sucks. But once I understood that my energy and weight issues were a symptom of something deeper, it all made sense. That's why I didn't wait. I gave my body what it needed, and it responded. One of the main reasons I gave Mitolyn a shot, it comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee. 6 full months to try it, feel it, and decide if it's working for you. No pressure, no games. And honestly, any company that gives you that kind of window, that tells me they believe in the product. So, would I recommend Mitolyn? 100%. Especially if you're struggling to lose weight even when doing things right. You're constantly low on energy. You want to feel confident and strong by the time summer hits, or you're just tired of feeling stuck in your own body. Here's what I'd suggest. Go with the 3 or 6 bottle package, because results like this take time and consistency. Plus, it's a better deal, and you won't risk running out when you're finally seeing changes. If you're reading this and thinking, maybe I should just wait, don't. Start now. You've got nothing to lose, and a lighter, more energized version of you to gain. Click the link below to check out Mitolyn and get started. I'm glad I did. And you might be too.